Push. Got pull. Samara done knocked down all her food. Now she's eating all her food off the floor. Eat it up, girl. Eat it up. Don't be making no mess.
She's friendly.
She's friendly. You're not scared? You sure? Don't be scared of your new doggy. You want to pet her? Go ahead. Wait, not while she's eating. Wait till she finishes eating. They got me out here out of breath. I'm out of breath. Girl, oh, damn, strong little boy. Strong little girl. Get her, Samara.
No!
Everything is literally a mess right now. Samara, oh my God. Why didn't you stay over there? No. Sit down. Sit down. No. Get down. Down. Go sit back down. Look. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. No. Lay down. She was just laying down. Now you sit. No.
No.
Lay down.
No.
Go lay down. I see the house is a mess. We still unpacking everything, getting everything ready. Gotta finish ordering the rest of the furniture, getting the rest of the furniture in. I look a mess, tired, been traveling all day, and she won't sit down. Y'all see my crusty toes? Go lay down. I'm trying to get her to listen to me because she don't really know me yet, but we're gonna get it deal. I ended up at Walmart. I'm doing a little shopping and
I like the pink one. I like the pink one.
you shouldn't get nothing. You
No.
better be good. You better be good. You better be good. Which one you want?
Pink.
Say thank you.
Down.
So we decided to come to IHOP. I'll get some pancakes.
And I want egg and cheese.
What you want?
Egg and cheese.
She wanted egg and cheese. I want some pancakes, some hash browns, some eggs. We're gonna go back to the house. And then what we gonna do? What we gonna do the next day? What you gotta do?
Cutie.
No, you're gonna open what?
My present. Look, you can see the Christmas tree.
Christmas tree that they got at IHOP. Yeah, see, yeah, IHOP. Saying, get some good food.